Hello mga ka-listener! Welcome back to Money Wise tayo. Ako po si Coach Bai at today we will talk about one of the most powerful yet underrated tools in personal finance, budgeting. Para itong mapa, kung wala po tayo nito, baka paikot-ikot na at hindi makarating sa financial freedom. Maraming tao ang takot sa salitang budget kasi feelings nila restriction. Pero in reality, budgeting is not about limiting yourself. It's about giving your money direction. Life and analogies and practical tips po. 1. Budget. GPS. Kung wala kang mapa, maliligaw ka, di ba? Kunti ng pera, kung walang plano, mauubos ito bago makarating sa goals po natin. Second, tell your money where to go. Instead of asking, saan punta pera ko? Ikaw mismo ang magsasabi kung saan sila pupunta. Number 3, the 50-20-20-10 rule. 50% needs, 20% wants, 10% for savings and investments, and 10% for God. Simple formula po na kahit sino pwedeng sundan. Number 4 po, budget weekly, not just monthly. Mas madali kung makukontrol po natin ang gastos kung mas madalas mong tinitingnan. 5 po, use envelopes or apps. Old school man o digital, mahalaga na may system po tayong sinusundan. Extra idea po para po sa ating lahat. Budgeting gives you freedom, not stress. Dahil kapag may plan po tayo, hindi po tayo natatakot gumastos. Kung may nakalaan para sa lahat, sama ang future po natin. Remember, budget is not a cage. It's your compass. So mga kaibigan, tandaan, if you don't control your money will control you. Budgeting is your way of telling your money exactly where to go instead of wondering where it went. This is Coach Bayan. You'll be listening to Money Wise tayo. Start your budget today. Simple steps, big results. Kita-kits sa next episode and God bless po.